Hey folks, it's by the best bro here. Go check the back trails, see what's happening down the trails, folks. Where the fuck are the trails? Over here, I guess. I almost went down the wrong road there. So I was gonna go down that thing there. Fuck. That must be a new trail, eh? But we're looking around here. See if there are any tribes. Oh, there's a bunch of geese here, folks. Check it out. Little family hood. Oh, there's some geese right here. That's right. Get the fuck out the way, boys. Anyways, I don't see any tribe around here. Here's this thing here. Jimmy Memorial. But maybe the tribes are down here, folks. Let's go check it out. Go check it out down here, folks. You never know. Wherever you go, you just might see one of the bros. This right here, folks. See what's behind the best bro here. Check it out. But I don't see any tribes around here. Oh, there's some tribe over there, folks. I'll roll up on them. Must I'll roll up on them. We meet again, hey boys?
Exactly, but what's your name?
We meet again.
Hey, I don't know anybody that got that long away. That's a good one.
This guy okay or what, bro?
Yeah, that's green, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. That's good. Oh, hey, nice ride.
Yeah, bro, cruising around. You guys
Oh,
are...
like you can fucking do a bird of...
Oh, yeah, it's not that, bro. Just get you... Is that Gene Simmons, bro?
Hey, the man... I met up with Gene Simmons the other day.
Right on, bro.
Gene Simmons.
That's pretty cool.
What happened?
Fuck yeah, bro. Hey, man. Woman, get over here, eh?
Hey, stay
What
over
a
there.
guy, what a guy. That's pretty cool. Right on, bro. That's fucking deadly. Oh, fuck, I thought they were the cops, but they're weird. They ain't. Fuck yeah, that's cool. Do that, bring that home, bro. So you guys are sitting here having a sip, eh? Oh, where's the barbecue, man? No steaks.
Nope, not this time.
What the?
No food. I'm not going to jail till next year.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm going to jail next week. We got some livers.
Jail? Holy fuck, bro.
We got to be there for 9 months. My inmate number is 020089165.
Okay, I'll deposit some money.
We got some livers here.
Yeah.
Hang out.
Okay, bros, I'm gonna take a ride. Peace out, boys. All right, okay, folks. That tribe's hanging by the riverbank having their fun, I guess. That's just the way life rolls for them, I suppose. Anyway, folks, we're going more down yonder over here because family there, they're taking pictures of geese. How you doing, man? Well, we can't go down this way, eh?
Would you sell that?
No way, man. Fuck. Hey, bro, you making fucking, what are you making, dream catchers?
Yeah,
Oh, cool, man. Fuck, right on.
yeah, I make my eyes so.
Waited for everybody. They all went to the free burgers and stuff up there.
Oh, yeah.
Where?
I was like, the fuck if I'm going my side.
Right on, man. That's pretty cool. Where's the free burgers at?
Up.
That way? Okay, I'm gonna go get a burger. Right on. Thanks. Okay, I'll see ya. Hello. Is this the way where the free burgers are?
No.
No? Okay, I'll see you. No, I don't know. Well, free burgers over here, I guess. All right, anyways, boys, I'm just freaking out here. Peace out, peace out.